Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the Harmonic scanner. In this week I would like to show you how to use the Harmonic scanner and also to show you what we can expect with the gold membership, where the traders can ask any questions and where we share our trades during the week when there is some kind of a pattern detected by the Harmonic scanner, and also making the analysis to see where the price could go. Now, first of all, this is something when you have registered and also joined, you can also see the chart in front of you. This chart has a white background, but if you are just starting, the background will be in the black color, which you can also change by clicking the right mouse button, go to the properties, and after that you can change the background to any color if you would like. You have also other styles that you can also change, so feel free to adapt that to your fit. So what you can expect with the Harmonic scanner? First of all, the Harmonic scanner is the scanner that detects harmonic patterns and other patterns, and then sends you a notification on the Telegram, like in this example, where you receive notification with a link. So when you click on that link, you will open the chart, and also you can see all the details about that pattern that has been formed, where you can see the potential reversal zone, which is the area for the entry. You can see the target 1, target 2, these are the green lines. You have a stop loss where you can exit the trade, this is the red line, and you have a risk to reward ratio, which shows you the difference between the open price and close price compared to open price to the second take profit. So if you have entered here at the potential reversal zone and exited here at the second take profit, this reward to risk will be around 4.0, because we have here potential reversal zone that is not starting free here from the blue line. 4.76 will be from the blue line to the second take profit. Now, next, what you can expect is that you can change any kind of a symbol here that you can analyze. You can also change here at the time frame that you would like to analyze. Then you have a monitor which shows you much more details, and you can make the analytics for yourself for different symbol and also for different patterns. First of all, here inside the settings and the security, you can make the filter which kind of a time frame you would like to track. I have set 4-hour time frame and daily time frame, and you have also asset classes which you would like to follow. Then you have also a pattern that you can select simply clicking on them. This table will populate with them. Now you can see butterfly has been visible here, and it was a successful one on the daily time frame. Deep crab, triangle, and so on and so on. You can add them as much as you would like. I have selected only bad pattern because it is much easier to track only one. It is up to you which one you would like. Then inside the security you can define much more in more details which symbols you would like to track, and I have used only a major. You can also use minor and exotic. You can use bonds, indices, commodity, and metal. Whichever you want, you can pick here. After you have selected these filters, this table will populate with those data, and inside this table you can see 3 of patterns that has been formed. First one is a failed one, so when you click on it here on the chart, you will immediately see this pattern showing on the chart, which means a failed. That means the stop loss has been reached. When you have a complete one, which means it's not failed and it's not successful, that means the pattern is still valid for trading, and the price did not reach a stop loss and did not reach take profit 2 level. It can be that the price has reached a take profit 1 level, and that's why you can still trade this one. Then you have here a successful one, which means the price has reached the take profit 2 level. Did not go to the stop loss, but instead it has reached the take profit 2, which means a successful one if you have traded this one. Now, which one you would like to trade, it is up to you, but you can see this table here inside this monitor window have much more details how to use and also how the patterns has behaving. You can see you have here a symbol column, you have green arrow for bullish patterns, you have a red arrow for bearish patterns, and you have here a column with the patterns. I have selected only bad pattern, so that's why you can see only bad. Then you have a time frame. I have selected 4-hour time frame in the daily, but if you select more of these time frames, they will be populated below. Now you can see when I click 1-hour time frame, there is a US dollar Japanese yen bullish bad pattern that has been failed. Then you can see status. These 3 status I have just explained. You have a date when this pattern has been formed, and you have risk to reward ratio for this. Risk to reward ratio, I already mentioned that it is a value that is showing you if you start with the trading at the entry level, which is a blue line, and if you close the trade at the take profit 2 level, this means 3.90 will be, sorry, 3.2, no, sorry, US dollar, Japanese yen, here it is. If you enter into blue line and exit at the take profit 2 level, this will be 3.19 risk reward ratio. And if you enter at the blue line, exit at the red line, that means you will lose 1%, but if you enter into the trade and exit at the take profit 2 level, you will earn 3.19%. So it is a risk management that you need to include, but you can see most of these patterns that has been detected with the Harmonic SEP scanner are above 3.0. Then you have a notification. I have explained this when there is a detected pattern on the Harmonic SEP scanner and you have defined that with the settings, which is a filter as similar as the to monitor. You select here which time frame you would like to follow, which pattern you would like to follow, and inside the watch list you select all the symbols that you would like to track. You can select Forex major, Forex minor, but additionally I have added these of. So you can see I have added also a crypto, I have added metals, and if you would like to add a new symbol, go here where the empty field is and type it. When you type this one here, for example, Ethereum against US dollar, Tether, you can select here just by clicking on it and it will be added here to this list. And when there is a pattern that has been detected with the Harmonic SEP scanner, this scanner will populate this table here and will send you notification to the Telegram. So feel free to activate this Telegram bot so you receive notification with the link. And when you click on the link, for example, like I have done right now, this will be on the chart visible where you can make the analysis to see how this pattern is behaving on the market and is it okay to trade or not. Now, just remember that Harmonic SEP scanner is just a tool that detects potential trades, but it is up to you to make decision, and also if you would like to make the analysis, feel free to do that to increase the profitability and the potential successfulity of these patterns. Have in mind that also when you make the analysis, the patterns can be failed one, even though you have added several confirmations that this pattern should be successful. The market can turn around against you and close the trade with a stop loss. So do not think that the Harmonic SEP scanner is a bad tool. It is a tool that helps you to detect that there is potential trades, and it is not 100% bulletproof. For example, in this week, starting the week, I have shown that we had 3 bad trades, which has been failed patterns inside the gold membership, where I have shared with them that the market has turned against, even though I have made the analysis, made 2 more confirmations that the bad pattern can be successful, but the market turned around and it has closed with loss. So this week I do not have anything to show you about the patterns that have been shared inside the gold, because there were no more patterns detected on the scanner that are in line with the technical analysis I am making. So feel free to check the gold membership, where I'm also sharing the details how I am making the analysis, adding more confirmations to these patterns that has been detected with the Harmonic app scanner. Sorry. So you can also start trading and seeing and picking the best ones. Feel free to use your own analysis to add more confirmations to the Harmonic SEP scanner patterns that has been detected to increase the validation and also successfulty of these patterns. And also pay attention that the risk management is a very important one. I'm always using and trying to use that stop loss will be 1% of my trading account, and then if the price goes in my favor, for example, here we have 4.64. If it is successful, I will earn 4.64% of my account balance. So this is a great information for me to trade in this way. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.